The DJI Avata 360 is rapidly becoming one of the most talked about drones in recent memory, and for good reason. Leaks and early glimpses suggest that DJI is preparing something truly groundbreaking, blending the worlds of FPV and 360-degree capture into one seamless flying machine. Freshly surfaced images and insider details have revealed not just the drone's sleek new design, but also features that could completely reshape how creators think about aerial filmmaking. From the first look, the Avata 360 doesn't stray too far from DJI's FPV-inspired roots, but it's clear that this drone has evolved far beyond the original Avata lineup. The design shows a refined sinew hoop-style frame with enclosed propeller guards, making it ideal for flying safely indoors or close to subjects. The body sports a smooth gray finish, a signature of DJI's latest design language, while subtle adjustments hint at serious functionality upgrades. According to leaks, the Avata 360 is built around a dual-lens system that can switch between a full 360-degree view and a traditional forward-facing FPV mode, making it both an immersive camera drone and a performance-focused flyer in one device. One of the biggest clues lies in its unique gimbal system. In standard FPV mode, a single forward-facing lens captures high-speed, cinematic footage. But when switched to 360 mode, both lenses pivot up and down to record everything around the drone, enabling that magical invisible drone look seen in high-end 360 cameras. This dual nature means pilots can switch from creative immersive shots to adrenaline-packed racing footage with just a mode change. Early reports suggest that each lens offers a 180-degree field of view, and when stitched together using AI, they produce stunning 8K 360 degrees video. That's a major leap forward for content creators who demand flexibility without compromising quality. Performance-wise, the Avata 360 looks set to impress. DJI appears to be equipping it with their new 04 Plus transmission system, boosting range to an incredible 20 kilometers while maintaining low latency and rock-solid stability. The drone reportedly offers around 25 minutes of flight time, slightly longer than the previous Avata, and internal storage has been doubled to 128 gigabytes, with expandable options via microSD. This increased capacity is a welcome move considering the data-heavy nature of 8K video capture. The camera system is also rumored to support 5K 60 frames per second video in FPV mode and up to 30 megapixel photos, while panoramic stills in 360 mode could reach an astonishing 120 megapixels. Pricing leaks give a clearer idea of where DJI intends to position the Avata 360. Reports from reliable sources suggest that in China, the drone will start around $426, with a Fly More combo priced near $811. Internationally, prices are expected to rise slightly, with the US market seeing the drone at roughly $489 for the base version and around $999 for the full bundle. DJI Care will reportedly be available at an additional cost of about $57. Despite ongoing trade restrictions, FCC listings confirm that the drone will indeed be available in the US, hinting at a global launch expected sometime in the first quarter of 2026. Beyond the numbers, though, what makes the Avata 360 so exciting is its timing. DJI's entry into the 360 drone category doesn't come in a vacuum. It's a direct response to a rapidly growing new competitor. The buzzworthy Anti-Gravity 1 drone recently captured global attention by delivering unbelievable 8K 360 degrees footage that had viewers wondering how it was even possible. The One isn't just a drone. It's a flying camera built entirely around the concept of total spatial freedom. Pilots don't have to think about where the camera is facing, they just fly. Everything around the drone is captured, and in post-production the creator simply picks the perfect angle. The result is complete creative liberation. No missed shots, no bad framing, and no worrying about direction mid-flight. What makes this new wave of drones fascinating is how different the philosophies are between the Anti-Gravity 1 and the upcoming DJI Avata 360. The One is fundamentally a 360 camera that happens to fly. It's about effortless creativity and removing barriers for beginners. Its automatic stabilization, smooth flight, and self-correcting system make it feel almost magical. You don't need FPV skills to get cinematic shots, and that's exactly why it's been called a cheat code for creators. The DJI Avata 360, on the other hand, seems to be coming from the opposite direction. It's built first as an FPV drone, with all the control, speed, and precision DJI is known for, but now supercharged with the ability to capture everything in every direction. This combination could make it one of the most powerful creative tools in aerial photography. Both drones reflect a generational shift in how people think about drone filmmaking. The anti-gravity one represents a future where anyone can capture professional-looking 360 footage without mastering complex controls. It's about exploration and emotion, not technical mastery. DJI's Avata 360, meanwhile, appeals to those who crave performance, agility, and integration within a trusted ecosystem. The choice between the two will likely come down to personal style. Do you want total creative freedom or complete control? The one may feel calmer and more autonomous, while DJI's version will likely deliver the thrill and precision FPV pilots love. Of course, neither option is perfect. The anti-gravity one, while revolutionary, has limited battery life and requires powerful editing hardware to handle its 8K footage. Stitching errors can occur in complex environments like forests or near reflective surfaces. DJI, with its long-standing reputation for reliability and advanced image processing, may well refine these issues in its version. If the Avata 360 truly combines the freedom of 360 capture with DJI's rock-solid performance, it could set a new standard for the entire drone industry. Ultimately, the arrival of the Avata 360 signals a new era for aerial creativity. For thrill seekers, it promises speed and precision in FPV mode. For storytellers, it offers the limitless potential of 360-degree storytelling. And for everyone in between, it opens the door to capturing the world from angles once impossible. Whether you're chasing the adrenaline of flight or the serenity of full immersive capture, the Avata 360 stands ready to redefine what a drone can be. With its expected release in early 2026, it's shaping up to be one of DJI's most versatile and talked about innovations yet. A perfect fusion of control, creativity, and cutting-edge technology that could very well change how we see the skies.